Good morning, students. Today in chapter number 7, that is plants living and surviving, we will do the long question answers of this chapter number 7. So these question answers, they are given on page number 63 of your EVS book, and these are these 4 questions this we will discuss today. So I am discussing the answer of these questions, and you will write these answers in your fair notebook. So starting with the first question. So the first question is, if you can see here, that so in this way you will start a question like chapter number 7, and then you will write date here, name of the chapter, and you will write F, answer these questions. So the first question is, how do breathing roots help a plant that grows in a marshy area? So we all know that marshy area is that area in which the soil is very sticky. So how the breathing roots there they breathe? So the mangroves root. So mangroves are those plants and trees which grow in these marshy areas. So the mangroves roots do not get air as the soil is covered with the water. So the roots grow out of the soil and water to breathe. So the mangroves which grow in a marshy area, they do not get proper air. Why? Because air is trapped in the soil particles, so these soil is covered with the water. So hence what these roots are adapted, these roots they grow out of the soil and water to breathe properly. So in this way the breathing roots helps a plant that grows in marshy area to breathe properly. So there is given pictures of also on page number 59 of your book. If you will see this is the picture of mangroves in marshy area, that how they grow up from the water and soil, and they helps the plants to breathe. Now coming to the second question. Second question is regarding that lotus plant grow in water. How does it adapt itself to live in water? So you all know that lotus plant is which plant? The lotus plant is basically a aquatic plant. Aquatic plant means they basically grow in the water. So the answer is that leaves of lotus plant are very wide and disc shaped. So what is the shape of the leaves of the lotus plant? They are very big and they are like disc, means little bit oval shaped. This allows them to float on water and absorb large amount of energy. So this shape of the leaves, they allow them to float on water, in which way they can take the sunlight and other things for making their food, and they absorb large amount of energy also. Here the energy is they are referring to as a sunlight energy. So in this way they prepare food for the plant, and lotus plant is able to grow properly. So this is the diagram of, if you will see here, this is the diagram of lotus plant, and you can see they are having very broad and disc shaped leaves. So these leaves float on water, they help in the floating of water properly, and they also trap sunlight to prepare their food and helps the plant to grow. Now coming to the third question. Third question is very easy question, as we have done when we have completed this chapter also, that what are the main uses of the plants of the grass family. So you have to write the uses of grass family plants. So grass family plants are basically those plants like cereals, like cereal plants like wheat, rice, sugarcane, bamboo. They all come under the category of grass family. And in grass family, the leaves of plants are very blade like structures So what are the some of their uses are that how you will write the answer. The main uses of the plant of the grass family are they provide food for humans and animals. First of all, they provide food for humans and animals in the form of cereals like rice, wheat, bajra, etc. Second is that various kind of grasses are used to make different types of paper also. So different types of grasses, they are used to make the paper also. And dried grasses, it is used to pack the material, means it is used as a packaging material. So this is the simple answer to understand. Now the fourth question, how does Venus flytrap eat insect? So you have to write the procedure that how Venus flytrap eat the insect. So in Venus flytrap, the leaf is folded into two halves. Their leaves are folded into two halves, and whenever the insect or any organism sits on the leaf, the two half closed and the insect is trapped in that particular, in the plant, in the Venus flytrap plant. So I will show you the one diagram also. See, in this way, there are two halves of leaves. This is one leaf, but it is folded into two halves. This is the first half, this is second half. And when the insect goes inside it, then what happens? After some time it closed and this insect will trapped inside, and this insect will be, these type of insects are eaten by the Venus flytrap plant. So there is one video also regarding this, that how they trap the plant. This I will show you now here. It is in that how the plants are trapped by this Venus flytrap. So you can see in the video also. See here, this I am playing now. You can see from here. Wait for 1 minute and I will show you the video regarding this. So this is the video which I am showing now. In this way you can easily understand the concept of this. See here how the insect is coming in the near to the Venus, and this is in this way they are trapped. Now this small frog is coming inside this and they are trapped. In this way the Venus flytrap eat the insect. So this is all about your log answer questions. And students, you can see the pictures of these answer either on the assignment option of your SMDP app, and you can see these pictures of these question answers also in the study material option. When you will go in the study material option, you have to click on the folder of chapter number this, the plants living and surviving, chapter number 7, and in that folder you can see the picture of these questions. Please write these questions in your fair notebook in neat and clean handwriting, and also learn these answers. So this is your today's homework. Thank you and have a nice day.